Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the Ninja Creami ice cream and frozen dessert maker. The ultimate summer must-have for quick and delicious frozen treats. I've put the Ninja Creami to the test, and let me tell you, it's a game-changer in the world of ice cream makers. Stay tuned for my full review. The Ninja Creami is a versatile device that can whip up 7 different desserts, including ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, and mix-ins. With its creamified technology and 800W motor base, this ice cream maker can churn your frozen base into delectable treats in record time. Unlike traditional ice cream makers that take much longer, setting up the Ninja Creami is a breeze. Simply plug in the machine, prepare your ice cream or sorbet mixture in one of the tubs, and freeze it for 24 hours. Once ready, insert the tub in the outer bowl, attach the paddle to the lid, and secure it to the entire bowl. Then, attach it to the machine, select your desired program from the 7 preset options, and watch the magic happen. The Ninja Creami's preset programs are displayed clearly on the screen with words and cartoon pictures, making it easy to navigate. From ice cream to milkshakes and everything in between, this device delivers quick and impressive results. I tried the lemon sorbet from the Ninja recipe book, and the Ninja Creami worked like a charm, producing a perfect sorbet consistency in just 1 minute. Next, I made a dairy-free vanilla chocolate chip ice cream, which turned out incredibly creamy and delicious. The mix-in program evenly distributed the chocolate chips, but I found it essential to create a deep well in the ice cream for better dispersion. The Ninja Creami's performance is truly outstanding, churning out desserts in just 1 to 3 minutes, thanks to its creamified technology. While it's a little noisy during operation, its speed more than makes up for it. However, there are a few things to consider. The Ninja Creami is quite bulky and may require ample storage space. Additionally, to achieve the best consistency, it's recommended to stick to the Ninja recipes provided. In conclusion, the Ninja Creami is a winner when it comes to making ice cream in record time. Its versatility and quick performance set it apart from other ice cream makers. While it may be a bit noisy and bulky, its impressive results make it well worth the investment. That's it for our review of the Ninja Creami ice cream and frozen dessert maker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on kitchen gadgets and other products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.